We are out here at Red Rock. This is a beautiful area. You can see all the sediments and the rock formations. This used to all be under ocean. Trillions of years ago, approximately, they say 5, if I'm not mistaken. Joshua trees, tumbleweeds, where goat heads come from, which are very prickly, little hard, bone-like textured seed looking like things with points on the ends of them, and they bust your tires and they stick very well in your feet. So it's really beautiful. It rained here in the desert, not like yesterday and the day before that. So the ground, you can see where some of the water has actually made real paths where gravity, pulls the water down. You can see the paths of that, which is very beautiful actually. And you can see how it's kind of like clayish. It's really beautiful. You can see the natural flow of the water as it was coming down, and when it settled on the ground, it just made its own path. It's beautiful. You can see all the different type of textures and minerals in the different areas. As I'm going across the landscape, it's not necessarily one type of mineral or sediment or even soil per se, because land erosion and all that creates different types of landscapes and colors depending on the minerals that are in them and so forth. Like in some of these things, you can see the erosion. Some have more red, which indicates maybe a higher iron. And then next to these it's just like black and white, which dictates something else, but underneath it could be something different. As you see over there, you can see directly underneath what may be settling underneath there, which is what it is. So it's beautiful out here. I'm sure that coyotes come out here. Sometimes you can hear them at night. They're known to hunt dogs and cats, like domestic animals, whatever they can get their hands on. It's cold out here right now, so the snakes aren't out. There are no tarantulas out, but during the warmer months, you would see, I haven't seen them up close, but you could see the holes. Like in the tarantula holes, you could see the webs that they have around them. And like the snake holes and so forth, you could see those various sizes. But they just really seek heat as far as the snakes. And it's pretty cold out right now, so they wouldn't be out. They'd probably be underground or somewhere. And no other reptiles are out right now that I could see, because I think of temperature. I don't even see any jackrabbits. So they're in hiding somewhere. It's cold out. So I think I'm gonna walk back this way further. It's pretty cold. There was one thing I wanted to take note of, is that I see a lot of what looks like volcanic rock to me. Oh, there's a butterfly. Look at that. It looked like a butterfly. Oh, bye-bye. Oh no, it's over there. But it looks like, yeah, this is volcanic rock. Very beautiful. Good for fires and, you know, putting out around fire pits and stuff, because they're already acclimated for high heat and direct fire. So you really wouldn't want to put any other rocks around a fireplace, especially if you have volcanic rock around. You should use those. Got my gloves. Beautiful rock. Nice color. Let's see what some of from the rain, how the wall is, you know, how the water came through, and the drying, you know, process from the waters, making it weak, and it's falling. I'm going to keep walking up this way. Oh wow. So what? There's a lot of water that came through here. I mean, water was busting through. And it rained a lot. I don't know how much it rained up here in these mountains from where we come down to, because when we look out our front door, this is pretty much where we're looking to, but deeper in. Because there are layers of mountains that the further you go in, the layer of the mountains, the deeper the mountains are. So. Things are changing on this planet to a point where all this could be totally different in the next year. Because at the end of the day, where's the breaking point of all of this earth change really at? And it's deep. It's like a secret understanding and knowledge that only it has. So that's why they can't be consumed or conceived in a man's mind. Even though they research and try to predict these things, it could happen right now and they would never know. like the comet that dove into the sun on the 12th of this month during the morning time sometimes. So at the end of the day, we really don't know when things are going to happen. And even the predictions can't predict a prediction or even a close